Everyone, my name is Sai Vishnu. Recently, IIT Bombay has organized an event called Eureka Junior for classes 9 to 12, which fosters the entrepreneurship potential of the children. For part of this event, I have designed a prototype which can connect to multiple devices and can help control the electricity saving. So now I am going to show you the prototype and how it works. Here I have four 5-volt relays. Here I have three transistors, a few diodes, an Arduino Nano and HC05 Bluetooth module. The Arduino Nano is powered from this adapter cable, and as you can see, this wire here connects to this switchboard which controls one light, and this another wire connects to an extension cable which can control three more lights. So now I am going to turn it on and off to demonstrate how it works. So guys, now to control the Arduino Nano, I am using this app called the Arduino Bluetooth controller. So when you turn on your Arduino Nano, the Bluetooth module will start blinking. So you have to connect the Bluetooth module with your phone. Once it is done, you can open the app. It will show you a list of the devices. So now it is going to show me. Select the HC05 which is available here. Click on it and it will connect. It will give you a message that it's connected. Now once it is connected, you can go to the buttons. So you can configure the buttons according to whatever the code available. So I have configured these buttons already. So now I'm going to show you how it works. So now when I press this button, the light there turns on, and when I turn it off again, it is turning off. And now I am controlling the extension cable. So I have turned the extension cable on, which turns on three lights at once, and again I can turn on this light as well, and I can control both the lights as such. So that is the product demonstration for Eureka by IIT Bombay. Thank you Eureka for giving me an opportunity to perform like this, and I hope to participate in more competitions.